Okay, folks, you're probably wondering what the heck is this lawyer doing with some disgusting mummified hand? Why is he gross, right? Well, I'm here to talk about the history of the trial. And when most of us think about a trial, we think about a jury trial. But it hasn't always been that way. And in fact, in criminal trials, we used to have different ways of determining the truth and whether or not somebody was guilty or innocent. We had three different ways: trial by oath, trial by ordeal, and trial by combat. Today I'm going to talk about trial by oath. When you go to court as a witness and you swear in, I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth, that is a relic of trial by oath. And so when that witness swears that oath, that is from trial by oath. Way back when, that was the trial. The whole trial was the witness saying, I swear to tell the truth and here's what happened. Case over. That was it. It was either believed or it wasn't, but that was the trial. So today I'm going to explain what swearing a witness in has to do with mummified hands, oaths, and the modern jury trial. Our legal system has always struggled to determine truth. In fact, the term verdict, which is what a jury, of course, renders at the end, just means to speak the truth. And to this day, we've not found a 100% effective way of doing it. It's just that the jury system is believed to be the most effective way, at least in our culture, it's believed to be the most effective way of determining the truth. And until very, very recently, and maybe in some jurisdictions still, when a person goes to court as a witness, they will be sworn in, and used to always be sworn in on a Bible. This goes to a criminal trial, and the idea of swearing in on a Bible is an ancient idea. And the idea was that a person would not want to risk eternal damnation. They didn't want to risk sending their soul to hell by falsely swearing on a Bible because, well, if you falsely swore on a Bible, you're going to the bad place and spending your time with the devil having your soul. And in medieval times, it didn't necessarily have to be a Bible that you swore upon. It had to be something of religious significance. So it could be something that was, believed to be a piece of the true cross, or it could be some other holy relic like the mummified hand of a saint. But the idea was that nobody wanted to risk eternal damnation by falsely swearing on something of holy significance. So for this video, I don't want to go too far afield, but for this video, I ordered from eBay what was said to be a genuine, authentic replica of Taint McFeely. And the seller claimed that this thing was 100% accurate at determining whether or not your oaths are accurate. And so that's what I showed you at the beginning of the video. We're going to do it again. We're going to test this thing. So here it is. Oh, Taint McFeely. It's not Saint. They couldn't afford apparently the S, but it's Taint McFeely. Taint McFeely. I take an oath that all lawyers everywhere are always 100% honest, Taint McFeely. Well, obviously, the thing is obviously defective. I had my fingers crossed. Okay. Kidding aside, there was more than one kind of trial by oath. The other kind of trial by oath was a person would get 12 men, good and true, to come and swear that he was telling the truth. And again, the idea was that those 12 people, they're not going to risk going to HE double toothpicks for a liar. And if you could do that, you'd be acquitted. But over time, that idea of those 12 people changed and morphed. And the 12 people didn't come to court to swear that that person who was accused was telling the truth. They came to court to judge whether or not the people who swore those oaths that they were telling the truth, they came to court to judge whether they were telling the truth. So there's a subtle change there. And you guessed it, those 12 people who are now the modern jury system and now judge whether or not the people who are up there who take that oath and swear to tell the truth, those 12 people judge whether or not they are telling the truth, and then they render a verdict as to what they believe is the truth. Now we have the modern jury trial, and that all comes from the mummified hands and the swearing an oath, and that's where we get it. Hope you enjoy these videos. The next series, the next part of this series, we're going to talk about my personal favorite, the trial by ordeal, and my very, very favorite among them, which is trial by cake. You sadly have probably noticed that I'm a little bit chubby. I like trial by cake. That'd be my personal. If I have to go to trial, I want trial by cake. Next time we'll cover that, and then after that we'll go into trial by combat. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, and you want to see more of them as they come out, hit the subscribe button, which is, I don't know where it is, but look around, it'll be here somewhere. Of course, if you're in a legal jam and you want our help, just call us. The phone number is below. I'm Andy, or Legal Segal, as my friends or enemies call me. And I hope you like the video. There should be a link to our website up here that has more specific information for whatever legal issues you may be facing. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.